Welcome back, YouTube, with another video. I don't know if you guys heard me in the previous video. The little things, the four-door, my four-door needed. It's a rainy day today. It is Monday. Today's gonna be a sad day, sad week. Why? It's gonna be our last week here in Texas, so we're getting everything ready. Let me zoom out real quick for you guys. So right now I finally fixed the tent on my four-door. Next up for the four-door is gonna be the exhaust tip, just to get a new one so it could look nice and fresh and clean, and also an oil change. And I think that's pretty much it for the four-door. I am taking it tomorrow, before I forget, tomorrow Tuesday, to get the new fog lights installed with the new LEDs or HIDs for the fogs. So new fog lights tomorrow with the fog lights, LEDs, and what else? This one needs an alignment, and we gotta fix the sensors, so we're gonna try to do that today. But I am going to Spike's, guys, Spike Ford, to see if that part has finally arrived, because I've already been waiting for that part for a few days, weeks. I think it's already 2 weeks. They've been telling me that they send it, that they're waiting for it, and then supposedly they didn't checked it in, so they didn't send it. So hopefully, look at the Ford. So hopefully Quinquite, the part's already there, and I could leave the dually there so they could do that on it, and then the dually's gonna be ready to rock with that. But we just still need an alignment and fix the two sensors that are not working anymore. So that's pretty much the only three things the dually needs. And well, my four-door, it's I got a new valence for it. The fog lights, I'm not using them, they're not on anymore because I need new lights. So, and it's raining, so it's like a sad, chilly day here in South Texas. But yeah, guys, we're going to Spike Ford right now. Hopefully the part's there. We can leave the dually there so they can work on it. And that's that. And then hopefully, if we don't do it today, we'll do it tomorrow. The alignment and the sensors. And the dually should be ready to roll. And now, we're just going to have to worry about the new tires on the trailer, because we are taking the trailer. So stay tuned with that, guys. Sorry if it's boring or talking, but I'll record a little bit, hopefully, if it stops raining once I get off the truck. Vámonos. Ya llegamos, guys. Boom, quick lane. Aquí en Spikes Ford. Teleforder. Hopefully they have the part here, guys. I say I can leave the truck here. We can do that, so we can check that off, and then we just gotta worry about the alignment and the sensors on the tires. So hopefully they have it. Hola, popcorn maker. Queremos ponerle, guys, either comment down below que se vería mejor. I think that's too metida, no? I don't know if to put these, guys, en el lado, o sea, así, or perdón, así, or in the back, like that one. That's as close as we can get, guys, to those. Porque mira, préstame este, güey. Let me see how it looks right now with the camera. Se me va a caer. Me van a pensar mal. Hold it and tell me how it looks the way I'm gonna put it. ¿Cómo se dio? Bien. A ver, pon it. ¿Cómo lo puse yo?
Porque tú no quieres hacia derecho, no quiero. Más así,
Oh shit, my bad, sorry. Go a little bit more in? Maybe like that, no? I don't know. Because también a single one will look good too. Como dices tú, pero no se miró. Single. So let's put these two guys inside. Vamos a ver qué. Y pues ya saben, si están aquí in the Valley area, Mission area, Palmview area, y you're gonna get your muffler installed. Aquí tienen de todo, guys. Flowmaster, Borla, Carbon, Corsair. Si no lo tienen, MagnaFlow, Black Widow, Flow X. Aquí te arreglan los mufflers, radiators, hacen fix welds. If you have a crack in your rims, wheels, radiators, all that good stuff, guys. Ahí está el número 956-5198-61. El Monito's Muffler Shop. Vamos a ver qué hay más adentro. Ahí está. It's an inch, no? An inch and a half? Aquí venimos con el monito. Rest in peace, monito. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking about maybe getting this one all the way to the back. I don't know. Mira cómo está ese staggered. ¿Ese?
Sí.
Y así lo quisiera yo, pero para el...
Está para el lado, por eso, güey. Tú lo quieres para los lados.
Pues sí, pero remember.
You want like the lip to side.
Yeah. Pero ese va al revés, así, el otro lado. Así, ¿me entiendes? Mira este. Este está igual, pero esos están apuntando para abajo. Estos, yo me llevaría estos si estuvieran como esos.
Pues sí, pues lo que quieres, güey. Pero te hagas algo nuevo.
Pues sí, también. Este es menos ruido, ¿verdad? Ese. A ver, pon eso otra vez, es que se oye bien. Se oye bien ese, pero está más guatoso ese, ¿verdad? Está más guatoso ese, digo. Vamos a cambiarle. It sounds good with this one. Una más. Dale. Welcome back, guys. Second day of the video. As you guys can see, might see something a little different, you feel me? Don't mind my kind. Fog lights are installed, new fog lights and LEDs for the fog lights. We don't have no more suede. Well, now it's not gray anymore, sorry, it's black. So we got black suede up over here. Not everything, but headliner. We got the headliner done. Just did the exhaust, guys. I didn't really show you guys much because it really sounds the same. It sounds a little bit better. It's almost the same. It's literally almost the same. So yeah, I spent like $300 there. But I was really happy. I got to go back to Monitos and they worked on my truck. They didn't take long. And, you know, I got what I wanted done. All this truck needs, guys, is an oil change. And this truck is ready to go. I was going to change the windshield, but what if it cracks on the way over there? So I might get a new windshield when I come back or once I get over there. And I don't know if you can see it, but the dually's over there. My brother came to help me pick up the dually. So we're already heading home. It's Wednesday today. It's my grandma's birthday, so we're gonna do a little barbecue, guys. Might show you the truck over there. So sorry if it was a long, boring video. But the dually's over there. We just paid a lot for the dually. This one part broke, and this, and that. Long story short, we got it fixed. The dually's ready, so pretty much we don't really need an alignment, and we don't really need the sensors because we came like that. But if we could do that, we'll knock that down tomorrow, and the new tires for the trailer. But yeah, guys.